So this is Milwaukee Stubby 12-volt impact. Pulling some nasty rusty bolts out of an old Porsche 944 rear suspension. They have been hit with a little bit of WD-40, but I mean, these things are they're pretty gross. I've gotten the other side apart already, but so I kind of know what to expect. But and that's that nasty rusty bolt pulled out, number uno. I don't know if you can see how gross that is. Pretty gross. Not horrible, but pretty gross. Lots of rust in there. Try taking the extension out of there, because I think that's holding it back a little bit. I think I can get on here. Yeah. This one's freaking gross. Yeah, that one's gonna need to be replaced. I mean, I think they all need to be replaced, but that one is pretty gross. There we go. Yeah, she's pretty well done. Everything's flattened out on there. Pretty expected. That's alright. Planning on getting all new hardware for this anyway. So yeah, that's my new impact. Works pretty good, I think. Struggled with the one, but that thing was nasty. Probably should have broken out the bigger impact for that, but glad to see it did it. Still lots of battery life left. I don't know. Turn my headlamp off. Yeah, 3 bars still. I mean, I've been using it quite a bit. I already took the whole other side apart with it already and did a few other things. So, yeah.